In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does Miro cost. We'll keep this simple and practical. You'll log in, learn how Miro structures its plans, understand how billing cycles affect price, and then I'll show you the most reliable way to see the exact cost for your account right now. Start by signing into your Miro account. You can do this from the web or the desktop app, whichever you use most often. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure you're in the workspace where you actually collaborate, because pricing and upgrades apply to the specific team you have open. Miro offers 3 paid tiers: Starter, Business, and a custom-priced Enterprise plan. Each tier unlocks a different level of features and administration. As you move up, you gain more control and security. For example, paid plans unlock unlimited boards and private boards, so you're not restricted by board limits and can keep sensitive work visible only to selected collaborators. You'll also see advanced capabilities like SSO, short for single sign-on, which lets your team sign in using a company identity provider. On the higher tiers, you can expect more governance, security, and admin tools to manage large teams and compliance needs. Billing cycle matters too. You can typically choose between monthly and annual billing, and in most cases, the annual option works out cheaper per month because you're committing for the year. Think of it as a discount for paying up front. If you're testing the waters or working on a short-term project, monthly might be more flexible. If you're all in for the year, annual can save you money. Prices can change over time, and they can vary by region, promotions, or taxes, so the most accurate way to see what you'll pay is directly inside your account. Open any Miro board, then look to the top left corner and click Upgrade. This panel shows the current plans available to you, what each tier includes, and the exact price for your workspace. You can usually toggle between monthly and annual to compare the effective monthly rate, and you'll see a clear breakdown of the features that come with each level so you can match them to your needs. A few quick tips as you review. Confirm you're viewing the correct currency for your location. Note whether the plan includes the privacy and security controls your team requires. And remember that the enterprise option is custom priced, so you'll see guidance to contact Miro for a tailored quote. That's it. Log in, review the starter, business, and enterprise tiers, consider monthly versus annual, and use the upgrade button on your board to see the exact up-to-date pricing for your team.